आज के जो हमारे नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटर हैं वो है मनीषा। और मनीषा हमारे साथ हीमोग्लोबिन और मायोग्लोबिन से रिलेटेड कुछ फैक्ट्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए मनीषा के पास चलते हैं। नाउ बेटा मनीषा, यू कैन प्रोसीड विद हीमोग्लोबिन एंड मायोग्लोबिन।
Okay, sir. Top of the morning to everyone. This is Manisha in presenting front of you. By academic qualification, I am pursuing my BSc Non-Medical 6th Sem from Dayal Singh College, Karnal. Today, we will discuss about the topic hemoglobin and myoglobin, its structure and its function also. First is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a heterotetrametric oxygen transport protein found in red blood cells, whereas myoglobin is a monomeric protein found in mainly muscle tissues. As we know, oxygen is a vital molecule in biological system because of its important role in respiration. Most organisms require oxygen in order to survive. Different proteins have different tendencies to bind and transfer oxygen. These proteins are called oxygen carrier. The most important two oxygen carrier proteins are hemoglobin and myoglobin. Next is function of hemoglobin and myoglobin. First is hemoglobin picks up oxygen in the lungs, deliver it to the rest of the body. Second is myoglobin accepts oxygen from the hemoglobin in the muscles and stores it until needed for energetic process. Third is deoxygenated hemoglobin uses some of its amino groups to fix up carbon dioxide and then transport carbon dioxide back to the lungs. Next is myoglobin. Myoglobin is a relatively small protein of molecular weight of about 17,000. It consists of one polypeptide chain, one hemigroup. The peptide chain consists of 150 to 160 amino acid residues fold about the single hemigroup. The heterocyclic ring system of hemigroup is porphyrin derivative containing four pyrrole groups. The Fe atom presents at the center of the hemi is bounded by the four porphyrin nitrogen and one nitrogen atom from the imidazole side chain and histidine residues, which is a part of long protein chain of amino acid residue. Now we can see the structure of myoglobin. Myoglobin is a monomeric protein that has 154 amino residues. It consists of 8 alpha helices connected through the turn with an oxygen binding site. It has a globular structure. Next is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a larger protein with a molecular weight of about 64,500. It consists of four subunits, each of which contains one hemigroup associated with protein globin. Therefore, there are four hemigroups bounded to the four protein chain. One hemigroup with its protein chain is called subunit. The four subunits are similar but not identical. Two subunits form alpha chain of 141 amino acid, two form beta chain of 146 amino acid. Now we can see the structure of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin comprises four subunits, each having one polypeptide chain and one hemigroup. Okay, this was our today's topic. Thanks to all of you, and especially thanks to Mr. Sandeep sir to give me a bright chance for presenting here. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा मनीषा। हीमोग्लोबिन मायोग्लोबिन काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है और आपने इसके ऊपर हम लोगों की कुछ ज्ञानवर्धन किया। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इसके लिए। अगेन थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा।
Welcome.